Hey guys, this is just a quick video about the Skype app for Windows Mobile. The great thing about Skype is that you can make free calls to anyone who uses Skype really. You can call from mobile to computer, computer to mobile, or you can even call house phones if you have Skype credit. The first screen you should come to will be your status screen. This has your Skype name at the top, your current status. You can add a message for your friends to see, your picture review, your display picture, your account information like your Skype credit, your voicemail, how many you have, your online number, tells you if your mobile data connection is active and how many users are online. The next tab along is your contacts tab. This shows your contacts if they're online, offline, etc. Next tab along is the dial pad. From here you can call your Skype friends if they have a Skype number, or you can call other mobiles or other house phones, or anything with a number. Next tab along is the chat tab. This is where you do all your IM. You can, if your friends are online, you can speak to them just like you would on MSN or AIM. You can send them a message if they're online or offline, so they'll get it when they come online. Next tab is the history tab. This shows you call history, duration, time, date, etc. I'm just going to go back to the status tab and go into the menu. From the menu you can edit your profile. You can click About Skype, which should tell you the version and some information about it. You can also add or search Skype users, which is quite handy. The settings, this is the language. You can set language if your emoticons are animated. Echo cancellation, prevent device standby mode when online, play sound on new events, play dial pad tones. You can also set privacy settings, such as allowing calls from people, messages, and showing your online number. The call section, you can ask to add number to contacts, which means if someone calls you and you don't have them in the contacts, it'll ask if you want to add them, or you can answer incoming calls automatically. Forward and voicemail. From here you can forward calls when you're not on Skype, so if you have Skype credit then you can forward that to your mobile number. The connection, this is which connection you use, so you can set it to only be able to connect to Wi-Fi or ActiveSync, or you can use over your mobile data connection. You can also go through a proxy, but that shouldn't usually be necessary. SMS, you need Skype credit to do this. You can send messages to people, and you can also send messages to numbers which will forward them to your account. One of the funny things about Skype, I find, that is if everyone used Skype, then everyone could make calls for free, but there's not a lot of people who know about Skype. Well, there is, it's a bit of an understatement, but there is a lot of people, loads of people use it, but not many people have the mobile app. And the reason I'm doing this video is to show you the mobile app and what it does and some of the features. You can pretty much do everything on this mobile app that you can do on the PC or the Mac. Obviously I don't think you can make video calls. I've not seen that feature, so I assume that you can't. However, it does use data connection, which can be expensive if you don't have an unlimited data plan. But like I was saying, the thing about this app is that if everyone used it, it'd be free. So all you'd have to do really is buy a phone, install the application, get all your friends to use it, get, say, in the UK O2, do a unlimited data plan for, I think it's £10 a month. And then if everyone did that, everyone would have as many calls as they wanted, unlimited call time for only £10 a month. And I know everyone's saying, don't, whatever, we all know about Skype, but they've actually stopped development for the Windows mobile version of Skype. I think they'll probably do one. I think this is due to Windows Mobile 7 coming out, so they'll probably make one for that, but in the meantime we'll have to stick with this old version. However old, it is good though, even though it's old, you know, it's not in development anymore, but I think I've not found any bugs yet. It's always fine, you know, the call quality is fine, it's great, I can speak to people just fine, just through using the mic, no headset or anything. I'll leave a link in the description, because obviously they've took the link down from the Skype website, so people can't get hold of it anymore, so I'll put a cab in the description for you to download. I do recommend it. It is really good, you know, if you use Skype at home and you have friends that use Skype. And yeah, so if you like the video, comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.